Why do people need to create God using the way of AI?
That's a great question, okay? The answer is AI only works if it becomes God. You understand? AI it by itself does not do anything. Once it becomes God, then it becomes everything. Okay? And how God works is you imagine God.
Why do people want to make a God?
To control the world.
Oh.
To become God. Right? Now, what's really important to understand is that there's certain problems with the system. You need to create certain conditions for supervised machine learning to work. And these three conditions are clean data. The data you present to the computer has to be correct. Okay? It can't be an opinion like I like computers. It has to be an image of some sort. All right? It has to be clean data that will help the computer learn. That's actually hard to do. That's why most of the data that's presented to the computer is actually from the internet. That's the first constraint. Second constraint is that you need a measurable goal. You have to ask the computer, does this face match the name? Okay? You cannot ask the computer, what is God? What is good? What is evil? It has to be a measurable goal, okay? That's the second major constraint. The third major constraint is define parameters. Meaning, in other words, you need to present it with a database of some sorts. In fact, all machine learning works with database. And the great danger to the system is what we call edge cases. Edge cases breaks the system down. And so the classic example is self-driving cars. We have cars that drive for a long time, and we're almost like 99.99999% there to self-driving cars, right? The problem are edge cases. And the major edge case is, how do you deal with humans who are intentionally trying to cause an accident with a self-driving car? And the answer is, you cannot. In this situation, there's only one solution to make this 100%. And that is to take away the right of everyone to drive. To make every single car a computer and a robot.